There goes Elijah being a kid. 11%? Oh. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be speaking to you guys again. I know that I've been doing nothing but lives, and it's been fun doing the lives, but I kind of miss vlogging and doing this. I hope you guys are excited for this video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about my staples for trying to conceive. I've been able to gather a couple of products because as I've been trying to conceive, I've really grown dependent on most of these items. So if you guys are wondering where I'm at, I'm currently with Elijah at the pool. He's over there jumping, being a kid, and I didn't want him to just stay at home while I was vlogging, so I figured I'd come to the pool and just vlog from here. If I keep looking down at my foot, well, I'm looking down at my foot because I actually got a really bad cut, and I'm just making sure that there's no bugs trying to get the blood. I know, nasty. Okay, so to begin, I'm gonna start off by yelling at him. I'm gonna start off with the first item that I have to say I've been using for, I want to say, oh yeah, well over a year. Yeah, I want to say at least a year I've been using it, and that's gonna be my Pre-Seed. I have been using my Pre-Seed regularly, and it comes with these injectables, but I don't use the injectables. As you all know or may not know, this is a lubricant, and it's for use when trying to get pregnant. It's fertility friendly, and it's from the maker of First Response. And it just comes in, you know, a gel form, nothing crazy. So yeah, this is one of my staples that I absolutely have to use. I also want to mention in here that this video is inspired by Green Like the Color. I saw her put up a video like this, and I felt like it was such a good idea, and for all of you to be able to see everybody's different favorite products and different staples in trying to conceive and through their journey. So then the next product after the Pre-Seed is my biggest staple that I cannot be without no matter what, and that's gonna be my Clearblue ovulation test. I don't have it anymore, so that's why I don't have a box or anything like that, because I just tossed it. But I will be putting everything in the description box below for you guys. But one of my biggest staples that I completely depend on is the ovulation, the Clearblue ovulation test, and it's the digital, which it has the smiley face, and I've spoken about so many times. My next one I would have to say are my Pre-Natals. I really like these Pre-Natals, and even though they were prescribed, I really do enjoy these a lot. I don't get nauseous from them. It's not troublesome to swallow or anything like that, and yeah, it works perfectly fine. And then any other prenatal that I've liked is the ones from Whole Foods, because they're organic and they're really good, and I really like the chewable ones. So I don't really have a preference when it comes to those, but I really do enjoy these. So if you are pregnant, or if your doctor will prescribe you these are the Pre-Nat Minis, as you can see, and these are so good. I'll even show you what the pill looks like. See, it's just like that. It's not that big, it's easy to swallow. I'm like almost out, as you can tell. And then the next staple is it's just something natural. Honestly, it's healthy, and it's something that has worked for me in the past to conceive, and I really do believe by it, and that is mangoes. I've talked about this many times before, and I've always told you guys that mangoes is definitely something that you might want to try, because it does help with fertility. Another staple of mine is going to be my Clomid. I haven't been able to catch my ovulation or to be able to, like, honestly ovulate right or correctly, I guess, if you want to say, without the Clomid. So I definitely do want to say that I recommend the Clomid 110%. It does the job for me, and even though it has its own little side effects that are annoying, I depend on it. Then my final staple is going to be, if I can grab it, my planner. I actually have two planners because Angel bought me this white one, and I have another one which I did show you guys in one of my vlogs before, which was this one. But being that I've been trying to conceive for almost 2 years, I do find myself having to jot down a lot of things, and I do like, I'm a person that likes to write, so I do find it very necessary to write everything down and to be able to, remind myself of things that I need to do or that I have done, so that way I can look back at it. And then finally, my other staple would be my Ovia app. I do enjoy my Ovia app very much. I get to also put things in there that I need to know, and then I also do go ahead and write it in my planner as well. But my Ovia app does get me really organized, and it does inform me of when my next cycle is coming, when I should be testing, how many not necessarily how many days DPO I am, but it's easy to look at the calendar as well. So I mean, you don't necessarily need to have a planner, but the Ovia app will help you with that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are my staples for trying to conceive. I couldn't be without them. Currently, I don't have a favorite pregnancy test strip that I have, only because I'm going to be trying the Easy at Home test. So I'm not sure how these will do, so because of that, I don't want to go ahead and tell you guys, oh, this is one of my staples, because I haven't tried them yet. But if indeed I do try them and it turns out to be something I can definitely rely on and love, then I will definitely add it in a future must-haves video. But yeah, for now I just wanted to make this video super quick for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys can relate to all these products, and if not, I hope you guys try it, because it's actually something good to have, especially when it comes to the pre-seed and it comes to the Clearblue ovulation test. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for this 2-week wait that I'm on to see what happens. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that way you're notified whenever I put up a video. I will see you guys in my next video and or vlog. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.